Experian Boost, what is it? How does it work? And will it help you in your credit journey? Stay tuned to today's video to learn more. Hey guys, Bella, how are you? So as you know, today is Fix My Credit Friday. Now this is a segment where I take a question from one of my social media followers or from one of my coaching clients and I feature my answer here on YouTube. Now if you have a question that you would like featured in a future episode, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, or you can send me an email and I'll actually list my email address in the description box below. Now today's question comes from my Instagram follower John, and he wanted to know if Experian Boost would actually help him in his credit journey. So I first would like to thank John for reaching out to me on Instagram and for allowing me to feature his question in today's episode. So what is Experian Boost? Well, Experian Boost is a product that allows you to add up to 4 non-traditional trade lines to your credit profile along with their payment history. Now, the thought process is by adding these trade lines along with the positive payment history, you should see an immediate increase or improvement in your credit scores. Now, the trade lines would have to fall under one of the following categories to qualify. It could be a cell phone bill, internet bill, water bill, or electric bill. So next, how does this even work? Well, you would first have to register on the Experian website and sign up for the Boost product. Once you do that, you'll then be prompted to link any bank accounts that you use to pay any of the bills that I previously mentioned. Now, your information is secure and it is read-only access, but I know some people aren't really too keen on doing this, but if you want to use the product, you'll have to link your bank accounts. So now once you link your bank account, Experian will then scan your banking transactions to look for any payments that are made to any of the vendors that qualify as a cell phone provider, water provider, electric provider, or internet provider, right? And once they can verify these payments, it'll then add that payment history to your credit report. Now, one thing I did want to mention, if you do have any missed or late payments, those payments will not be added to your credit profile. The Experian Boost product will only add any on-time payments to help boost your scores. Now this product is really ideal for someone that has a very thin credit profile, meaning you don't have a lot of trade accounts in your credit report, or it's ideal for someone that may have a very short credit history. If you are someone that has a strong credit profile, meaning you have scores in the 700 range and up, and you have a great mix of trade accounts, meaning you have a combination of maybe a mortgage or a car loan, student loans, and credit cards, things like that, you will see very minimal change or improvement in your credit scores by using this product. Now that we've gone over what Experian Boost is, how it works, now I want to talk about, is this going to be helpful in your credit journey? Now, in my opinion, this product is really only going to be helpful for a very small group of people. And now I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I think it's not helpful for most people. Now, the first reason why I believe Experian Boost is not helpful for most people is that if you are someone that uses cash, Western Union, or MoneyGram to pay any of those monthly bills mentioned, you essentially can't even use this product, so therefore making it not helpful. Now, the second reason why I believe Experian Boost is again not helpful for most people is that if you are someone that uses credit cards to pay any of those monthly bills, again, you can't even use Experian Boost. Experian Boost is only going to work for bank accounts that are used to pay any of those monthly bills. And if you also use debit cards to pay any of those monthly bills, because again, those are linked to your bank account. And the third reason why this product is not helpful for most people is that it only boosts your Experian FICO 8 credit score. So if you were planning on using this product to help boost your scores, maybe because you were looking to apply for a mortgage or a car loan, maybe even a credit card, and you wanted to get a better interest rate by having a higher score, this is only going to work if you unequivocally know that the lender is pulling your Experian FICO 8 credit score. If that lender is going to pull your Equifax, TransUnion, or a different version of your Experian credit score, this product is not going to help you in the long run. So overall, in my opinion, the Experian Boost product is really only going to help a very small group of people. So John, I hope this answers your question. Now, if you guys found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye. Bye.